Hi everyone, we're here today at Harewood House in Leeds, and so why don't you come and join us while we go and have an explore?
Cafe area. Imagine it being lovely in summer here. Look at that idiot over there, look, taking pictures.
Oh yeah.
Hiding behind arch.
Need to take a picture.
Just saying, look at that idiot over there, look, taking pictures.
Hello! It's at the back.
Elliot, take a picture then.
Can't take a picture that way, can I?
Beautiful building, isn't it?
It's lovely.
Yeah.
I took 2 pictures. I would think it's down there.
It might be down there. Daddy take footage at grounds, look. It's lovely, isn't it? Beautiful. You can take photos, darling, if you want. Of course you can. Yeah, I'm looking at a blue. Oh wow, beautiful, that, isn't it? So let's keep an eye out for something that's Scarborough related, eh?
Not Scarborough related.
What?
These.
No, I don't think so, darling.
They look like just little bits of this.
They'll be touching. Whole table, isn't it?
My screen is blurry.
It's not. Daddy's is blurry because of his eyes, darling. I need to go get them tested. I'm coming. You can take pictures, of course you can. You can take as many pictures as a big dining room, isn't it? Oh.
I'm just doing a video.
Up there, yeah. That's Scarborough Castle. Hmm. Take a video if you want, darling.
If I don't find one, then I can
Yeah, lovely that one, it's running across there. Oh, that's the right room, isn't it? Yeah.
It's to do that. So you get it. One of the backgrounds or the pictures or something.
I don't know, just keep an eye out. No, you can leave it on until you turn it off.
These ceilings are stunning.
I know.
So where we live, and then just getting into Leeds, we were both driving. Well, you were driving, and we were both getting
Absolutely stunning.
Because we live in the sticks, you know.
My hand is aching.
Yes, it was.
Oh, this is back.
Yeah, look at that.
There's a ferry.
Ah, yeah. It is on lake, innit?
Let's go and have a look around there when we come out.
Did we go down?
It's working, huh?
No. Looking for it.
I know.
Hey, baby.
That's not Scarborough Castle up on that picture up there, is it?
No, that's Harewood
that it?
Castle.
Is that it?
No.
No, that's what it's at.
Yeah.
Where? Up there? No, I don't think so.
Put all them books.
I've already looked.
Look how old they are.
Is that Scarborough?
No, it's Harewood.
You'll show me.
That one, I don't know. No, there's a river below that one. On that one.
If there's rivers, there is
Oh, there's some more over there.
where?
But that's Harewood.
Gate there.
Oh yeah. Oh, it looks spooky.
Looks spooky. Bless it.
There's no doors. Oh, can I pick them up?
Might be told door back. It's alright, I'm doing the art. It doesn't say don't touch on that, does it?
It's how difficult. Never mind. I heard a chair move. I think there's some other people down here.
That's alright.
Oh, it's like a.
If you want to. You might not want to. Oh, you just like art and crafts, don't you, babe? Might be in here.
It could be.
It could be on it. Oh, dear. Oh, look at these.
Elliot, don't wander off, sweetheart. Well, ice skates and stuff, isn't there? Yeah, look at this here.
That's my darling, their apartments. Copper.
Yeah. No, I wouldn't have thought so.
Why does it do that to me?
Well, does what do what to you?
Wait, I need a big photo. I'm going to take you.
Arger, innit?
That is it.
Me. Well,
That cold. These days.
important.
It's not
You can look in a second.
Scullery.
It's kitchen. Cafe, innit? Terry's cafe, innit? What is that?
The plans at grounds, isn't it? Aye.
It is a survey of Harewood House.
Yeah, it is. It's grounds.
1698.
Piece of coal
Grounds.
and put it on fire. A cafe. And great I'm not, because we are not.
Alright, come on then.
No,
People coming this way and
look
not the
up.
other way.
Hello. No entry, no entry. Hot. It's a tea room. That feels like it's about to go breaking.
Got vents in it, that's all.
Ventilation.
Do you believe think that they actually probably used all that?
Yeah. Cafe.
Go down there to that bit that sticks out. You can get back at the house.
Where's the house?
There's a public walk through there, look.
I want to go walking.
You know, it's there. That far left.
Somebody came down the side of there. A couple earlier.
Yeah, that goes back right front, I think, doesn't it?
This is gorgeous.
It is, it's beautiful, isn't it? Be nice if it's blooming, it's summer. You get some nice colour. There we are.
Well, we've had a lovely wander around the Harewood House. It's an absolutely stunning house. It's definitely one that we're going to return to because there's a lot more to see. But thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye for now.